Yo, what it do, what it don't, what it is, what it isn't. You already know what this is. This is Once We're Not the Same, magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into. Zia, and I'm your host P5, aka Frozen P, and you can take that whichever way you want it. And this is another episode of Whatever the Fuck I Want to Talk About. And on today's episode of Whatever the Fuck I Want to Talk About, I just want to say thank you to you guys. Mad love. Thank you so much for all your support. Thank you for your engagement. Thank you for hitting me up, for the nice comments, for the information, you know what I mean. Shout out my guys, you know, all of you guys, you know who you are, that you consistently have dialogue with me, and like, you know, I try and reply to everyone. So mad love to all of you guys, and I just want to say thank you. I started this about a year ago. I think my first video was in September sometime, so it's a year. So I just also want to take time to show that obviously using me as your yardstick, not the best yardstick ever, but you know, using me as your yardstick, you realize that in a year I started my YouTube, and look, I'm almost at 1,000 subscribers. You guys are engaged, you know, we've had dialogue. I've done about almost 150 videos in a year. Can you believe that? Like, I know there's people who've been doing this for years, they ain't even done 50 videos yet. Some might say quality over quantity, but as for myself, initially I needed to make sure that I was just knocking out quantity, and I'd like to think most of it is quality. In fact, all of it is quality. But yeah, I just want to use this as a chance to say, look, you can see what can be done in a year. Just take your time, have an idea, execute it, and even if you don't think it's at 100% of what you want it to be, just go for it. Don't waste no time. Look at my first video to my last video. I mean, there's a world of difference, you know. Improvement is everything, and leveling up is everything. So guys, yeah, you know, don't be afraid to start. Just start and go for it. Once you start, you'll find yourself immersed in it, and you'll just go for it. Again, pitfalls are everything that we need, because that helps us learn. Like all the things that I've learned, you know, from videos being too long, from, you know, maybe talking a bit too fast or whatever. I still do that, but you know, whatever it is I've learned, I've implemented it and tried to move forward. And then no doubt 2022 I'll be even more improved. So yeah guys, just take something that you want, that you've always wanted to do, whether you wanted to study to get that extra degree, whether you wanted to do a Photoshop course, whether you wanted to do a joiners and welders course or a carpentry, whatever it is, guys. As you can see, a year is a long time, but it's also a short time. It seems like just the beginning of the year, when I was, you know, probably doing another video like this, and now it's the end of the year. So guys, look, don't waste time. Don't feel pressured. Remember, listen to all the old videos, you know, be your biggest cheerleader, but also know when to sort of take a step back. You know, protect your energy. All of these things that I've given to you, please go back, have a listen, and apply it to your life in 2022. I will be applying it to my life in 2022. And of course, you know, we want to see each other getting bigger and better. You know what I mean? I consider you lot my family now, you know, my YouTube family, you know. And if there's anything you want to chat about, shout me, you know. Yeah, it don't have to be closed, you know. Maybe you're feeling a bit down, whatever. You know me, I like to chat, so feel free to drop me a line. I'm gonna definitely hit you up. But guys, don't be afraid to go for what you want, and just do a day at a time. That is it. So this is a twofer, a thank you, and also a little bit of knowledge imparted to you. So thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate you. Like, too many of you to name, and I don't want to name some people and leave other people out. So mad love to all of you. You know who you are. You're right there in me art. It's black as night, but it's still right there. You're still there anyway. And yeah, so there's the thank you, and there's the remember. Just go for it, man, guys. You can see, look, I'm proof. You know, I'm not saying I'm anywhere special, but I am almost 150 videos in, which is a lot of content. And that's more important than, oh, you know, how many subscribers and so on and so forth. But my subscriber list is growing thanks to you guys. So guys, that is really it. I just want to say thank you, and I want to say chase your dreams. And if you need any you know, just advice or assistance, just give me a shout. If I can help, I definitely will. So guys, thank you for listening, thank you for watching. You already know what this is. This is Once We're Not the Same, magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into. Zia, I'm your host P5, aka P Grateful, aka P is for passionate P. And yeah, you guys are beautiful. You already know what to do. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share. And as always, look after yourselves, be cool. Yeah, protect your energy, and yeah, mad love to you. I can't wait to see what the new year holds for us. And yeah, blessings, love.